We're back with the Hulk, which rolled into the shop. We diagnosed two major issues, a coolant leak and a power steering leak. The first problem was with the power steering reservoir. It was leaking at the bottom, so we had to replace it with a brand new unit. Since the Hulk deserves strength, we also upgraded the bracket to the newer style, giving this system a new filter and the durability it needs. Here you can see us hooking up the new reservoir. We tighten the bolts, one on the top and one on the bottom, then reconnect the two lines. The line on the right side goes to the power steering, and the other goes to the gear pump. After this, we added the necessary transmission fluid. That keeps the Hulk's steering smooth and powerful. Next up, the coolant reservoir. The old one had a broken cap at the top, which meant it couldn't hold pressure. That's why the Hulk was constantly losing coolant. To fix it, we first removed the coolant lines and drained the system. Draining coolant can get messy, but we made sure to flush the entire system with water to clear out all the old fluid and contaminants. This step is critical. Without flushing, you risk leaving behind debris that could reduce the Hulk's performance. After the flush, we pressure tested the system to confirm there were no other leaks. Once everything checked out, it was time to install the new coolant reservoir, built strong enough to handle the Hulk's power. Here you can see us fastening it into place, tightening the bolts and reconnecting the hoses. With the new reservoir installed, the system can now build and hold the proper pressure, keeping the Hulk's cooling system working like it should. Finally, everything is reassembled. Now we double-check the connections. Both the power steering and cooling systems are now sealed tight. No leaks, no weakness. The Hulk is back to full strength, ready to hit the road with unstoppable power. Don't make your truck angry. Bring it to Haggai Truck Center before it smashes down on you. Repair today, driving tomorrow.